for opportunities and success in life.
Jopith mag chak mawuok e kaunti ma Gatundu geno biro yudo chak mathoth kaluwore kod dhok magolo chak mathoth mane oyangi. Jopith go mahewa 2,000 noyudo koth chiaye kod lita 400 mar nitrogen koya kambi mar Brookside. Meneja maduong' mar kambi mar Brookside Emmanuel Kabaki nokoni kothego mabende ogole e dume manyaluo biro konyo chenro mag pidho dho chak mabende koro biro nyayo chak mathoth. Kabaki omedo ni kambi no sebedo katiego moko kuom jopith mag dho chak e wi chenro manyien no kabendo jiwogi gimetiyo kaka opuonjgi kendo osingo ni ibiro mengisir.
Hizi mbegu tumepewa leo, hizi mbegu zitatusaidia sana na tunaona na tunaamini tutatoa ng'ombe zetu zitatoa maziwa mzuri sana.
Today we are glad that we start this project which will benefit over 2,000 farmers all over the country, those that work with Brookside Dairy. And it shows our commitment as an organization to increasing productivity at the farm level for dairy farmers. We've seen the interests and the enthusiasm by our dairy farmers to grow production. And we are coming in as Brookside to support this good gesture, by using this good gesture to support farmers to acquire good breeds.
So our farmers are benefiting from this because now with or without money, your cow will be served. So we are happy that our farmers have really appreciated and they are happy with what we are doing. And we hope at the end of the day, there is no farmer who will lose that AI service because the farmer has no money.